Well, I'm going to show you guys how Heathkit got their reputation as far as stuff that isn't assembled correctly. This amplifier has been giving me problems for quite some time. So, the fact that the previous guy wanted to use it on a band that it didn't have. Anyway, this has got 15 through 80. There's always giving me problems on 80. So, at any rate, when we were getting ready to order this band switch and the tank circuit and all that from this other guy, and I don't know if we're going to do that now or not, but we found the problem. So, let's see if I can demonstrate it. So you see that little stub sticking up right there? Okay. If I can move this. That piece towards the back on that back tab, it's not connected. It's just sitting there arcing out. Right here. Look at that. So this is why, you know, some of the Heathkit stuff got a bad rap. Because, you know, people like you and me, maybe we never ever built an amplifier. We never even soldered anything. You know, and put this thing together. So, I should be able to just solder that back up. And, you know, just get the rest of my band switch back together. Put my capacitors. These things are just always arcing out. So, I'm pretty sure that's the problem right there. And I lost 80 meters, and I was like, oh, okay. So it's got to be the capacitor over here that I removed already. But it wasn't. So there's this guy here the whole time. Because you need all that coil for 80. Because it goes right here into your tuning capacitor. See all that tank in there, and then all that. So this is a hl-2200. It's not one of these guys. So it's one of these guys. They had this thing completely apart. I finally have the balls to take this apart because I picked up this. And thank you very much to Alan for trading me. So I got the Ten-Tech over here. I got a big mess over here. Everything. So like, I do need to get this done. But anyways, I don't know if we'll convert this to 10 meters or not. It'd be like $130 probably for me to buy that from Lou. So, the guy from King Conversions. So anyway, we'll see. So, if you like the video or you don't like it, I guess that's just too bad. I'm probably going to turn off the damn comments because I always get these guys, they post up some link to some sex chat thing or some porn, you know, and so then everybody else, you know, goes, what the hell? So anyways, that's all I got for now. I'll keep you guys updated. 7-3.